Hi guys, my name is Shaztech and welcome to today's video where I'll be explaining why you should not buy the Galaxy S10. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe. One of the main reasons why I don't have a S10 and why I'm encouraging people not to buy it is not because of the price, but it's because that there are better things coming. A few months ago, Samsung's CEO and head of mobile division stated that a 100% notchless phone could be coming in the next 2 years. That's because Samsung is working on perfecting the technology where the camera goes underneath the display just like the other sensors are. Unfortunately, it's not at a stage where they can roll it out to their latest smartphones, but it's still in the works according to the head of mobile division, and we could see it within the next 2 years. Secondly, the Galaxy S10 and the S11 won't have a massive change just like the S8 and the S9. That's because the S11 is just going to be bumped up specs, whereas the S12 is where we're going to see the major change, where we could see a notchless phone as well as the camera behind the display. If you have your phone right now, which is anything from a S7 upwards, I'd suggest you keep it and you hold out until the S12 or the S13, because that's when we'll see the best smartphone ever. So that's 2 reasons why you should not buy the Galaxy S10 right now. But if you do want to, you can go ahead and buy it because it is an amazing product. It is an amazing phone with amazing specs and one of the best phones you can get in the market right now. So if you're looking for a phone that has minimal bezels and no notch, the S12 and the S13 would be the perfect phone for you. So I suggest that you hold out until that comes out instead of spending a lot of money on the phones right now, because this is just the start as to where we're going to get in technology. So that's my main reasons why you shouldn't buy the Galaxy S10 right now, but in the future we'll definitely be seeing amazing notchless phones because Samsung has confirmed that they are working on it. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more daily tech news. I've been Shaztech and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.